Can you draw me another M?
Hugs.
What is it? Those are very pretty M's.
M's.
Say hi to the camera.
That's.
Can you say hi?
Hi. That's.
Can you draw a circle? Can you draw me a circle? Wow, good.
Good,
You did
Katie.
it. That's the first time she's ever done that when I asked her to. I keep asking. What beautiful circles. I love those circles. They're
Yeah.
so pretty.